Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to day 25 of the 30-day yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing a cardio yoga flow. It's gonna be an amazing routine. We're gonna start, of course, with some shoulder movement, some jaw movement. Let's prepare the body. So lift your shoulders up and down. Relax, let go any tension. Just breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. You can place your hands on your belly, on your tummy, and just enjoy a deep, nice breathing. Inhale through the nose, fill your tummy with air, then exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Okay, and let's do some neck circles, slowly with control. Okay, meet me at the top of your mat. So the cardio yoga flow routine, we're gonna do one sun salutation with some asanas in between. The first round we're gonna do really slowly with control. Inhale, lift the arms straight up. Exhale, folding forward. Keep your back straight. Try to press your chest towards your thighs. Keep your legs straight as possible. Inhale halfway and exhale. Jump or step back into plank. And with exhale, it's the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog. And now with exhale, press into downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, lift the right leg up for three-legged. And then bend the knee. And step into the wild thing. With inhale, open the body. Back to three-legged. And step your right foot between your hands. Lift for warrior one, Virabhadrasana. The back foot is 45 degrees. And now exhale, open the arms, open into Virabhadrasana 2, warrior 2, back foot 90 degree. Inhale, reverse your warrior. And exhale, side angle. Inhale, back to warrior 2 and exhale, warrior 1. And from here we're gonna lift the weight onto the right leg, warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3. Find your balance, then place your hands on the mat in front of the right foot and lift the left leg as high as you can for standing split. Now really slowly with control, find your way back into warrior 1. And then exhale, back to vinyasa. We are doing chaturanga, inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Pressing through the palms, pushing hips towards the sky. And then left leg up for three-legged. And now inhale and open into the wild thing. Breathe. Amazing three-legged. Step your left leg. Warrior one. Exhale, open into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2, the back foot 90 degree, heels in one straight line. Inhale, reverse your warrior. And exhale, side angle. Nicely done. Back to Warrior 2, Warrior 1. And now lift your weight into the left leg and Virabhadrasana 3, Warrior 3. Hold here, find your balance. Place your hands in front of the leg, standing splits. And with control, find your way into Warrior 1. Vinyasa. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Hold the breath here. And then jump. Inhale, look up. And inhale, rise up. Exhale, prayer pose and Samastitihi. That was one round. We're gonna do 2 more rounds at least, but this time a little bit faster. So we're gonna increase the pace. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. It's a cardio flow. It has to be a little bit faster. Inhale, three-legged. Exhale, bend. Inhale, wild think. And back to three-legged. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side ankle. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, warrior 1. Inhale, warrior 3. Find your balance. And standing splits. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, vinyasa. Chaturanga, up dog, down dog. Now repeating for the other leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, wild think. Exhale, three-legged. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, warrior 1. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, standing splits. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump in, look forward. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, prayer and samastitihi. Okay. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. You know the drill. We're repeating the same sequence. Inhale, leg up. Bend your knee. Inhale, wild thing. Back to three-legged. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, open into warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, warrior one. Warrior three. Standing splits. With control, back to warrior one. And vinyasa, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left leg up. Bend the knee. Inhale, open into wild thing. Three-legged with exhale, and with inhale, warrior one. Exhale, open into warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, warrior one. And inhale, warrior three. Exhale, standing split. Slowly with control, inhale, warrior one. And exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump in halfway. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, prayer and samastitihi. Nicely done. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump back. Chaturanga, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump in to Malasana and slowly sit down on your back. That was amazing. Okay, now grab your knees, slowly roll down one vertebra at a time. Hug your knees and take your time. Of course, if you have more time, please feel free to repeat as many rounds of this flow. You can repeat 2 or 3 more times even. Okay, happy baby, and then moving to our final resting pose, Shavasana. Take your time, relax your breathing, and just enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoy this quick and fun cardio yoga flow. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you next time.